Folks, this is David Hurley of top5programs.com bringing you yet another exciting Leadsleap training video. And in this video, we're going to have a look at what a recent blog post by Kenneth Coe means and how to apply it to your advertising pages, the ones that you build on the Leadsleap page builder. It says how to pass traffic source as a variable. Now, what it means is that with this new snippet of code, you can show the website address of the advertising site where you are promoting your landing page in the title of the landing page that the surfer happens to see. Does that make any sense? Maybe not. Okay, the best thing to do is to show you an example. And I have a page especially prepared. We can see here I have logged into my Leadsleap site, which is where I am viewing this page. And you can see here it says, attention, leadsleap.com member. Now, I didn't type leadsleap.com member in the title. I entered this snippet of code, which is wavy line source wavy line. If I show this page on easyhitsforyou.com, for example, and I have it here, it will magically say, attention, easyhitsforyou.com member. So it directly addresses the surfer on the advertising site where the surfer or the visitor to your page is surfing. And so it helps to make the headlines stand out. That's the idea. So attention, easyhitsforyou.com member. If you're surfing on trafficg.com and you land on this page, it will say attention trafficg.com member. So how do you do it? Well, I'm going to show you in a minute, because there's a second thing that you can do with this little snippet of code, and that is you can place it in the URL. So in this example, this is just a demo page. There's no opt-in. We're just saying you can get this great thing by clicking here. And for demo purposes, the click will send you over to free Bitcoin. So we click here and it takes us over to free Bitcoin via the tracker link that I set up in Leadsleap already. And you can see here, easyhitsforyou.com. It's showing us that the click to land on free Bitcoin came from easyhitsforyou.com. So we can see that the surfer came from Easy Hits for You. And this will show up in your Leadsleap tracking area. So you will know where traffic is coming from, which will help you decide which are the most effective places to advertise your landing page. Okay, so let me show you how to set all this up. It's actually much easier to do than to tell you how to do. So let me show and not tell. So here we are in the dashboard of leadsleap.com. And we scroll down to the page builder and click page manager. And we'll add a new campaign. We'll just call it Leadsleap Video Demo 2. And we will, so here it is, Video Demo 2. Add a new page to start. We'll add a blank page. We will launch the editor. And we'll quickly make another version of the page I just showed you. So let's move my noggin over here. So attention, this is a time-sensitive offer. This is the bit that we're going to change. So just move that over and we're going to put in here wavy line, S-O-U-R-C-E, wavy line, and then member. and we'll put the little message on a new line, and we'll just make the text a bit bigger. One moment, so we want to just space it out a bit bigger, a bit better. There we go. Okay, now we don't need an opt-in form, so we're going to choose list manager will be no opt-in form. Okay, and I guess we better save all that. It's still going. Okay, here we are. Attention source member. That's good. So now let's get rid of some of this stuff. We're just making a very simple page. Okay, so we're going to move this down, move the line down. And now we're going to create a link. It's just going to say, click here so that you can steal my $100 a day. Let's make it look vaguely relevant. Bitcoin, free Bitcoin. I say Bitcoin just to make it fit in. Okay, there we go. That's all we need. It doesn't matter. Now we're going to insert a hyperlink. Put the link down here. Okay, that's good enough. And it's when we click here, we click on the hyperlink panel will appear here. And we notice that where it says link URL, that's the target page we're directing the visitor to. There's a little placeholder reminder here, source. If your link allows passing of the traffic source as a variable, you can use this placeholder to transfer the traffic source of this page to the link. Okay, that's all very technical. I recommend that you use a link that you've set up, like a landing page link or a tracking link that you've already created on Leadsleap, because they absolutely work. So let's just do that. Let's find a tracking page. Here we go, free Bitcoin tracker. So we'll use this one as we're a pro member. So that's the tracker in there. And now to make it work, we need / and then the source. / source. And that should be enough. Let's save it. So it says here, activate the page. This is a step that is easy to forget. So the page is now active. So let's have a look at it from the active link here. So it says, attention, Leadsleap member, because we are logged into the Leadsleap site, we're viewing this page from Leadsleap. And then down here, the click here, we'll click through to free Bitcoin. And when we do, we notice that the tracking link source shows us that the click came from leadsleap.com. And this will be useful for you if you want to track where traffic comes from. It shows you where the traffic is coming from and will enable you to therefore understand which are the best sources of traffic for this particular advertising campaign. Now, let's just set it up inside. So let's grab that link. Let's set it up inside Easy Hits for You. Let's call it $100 Bitcoin 2. We can see here it says easyhitsforyou.com. Attention, easyhitsforyou.com member. And now let's click here. And we can see that this link now says easyhitsforyou.com. Whereas the previous link that we viewed inside Leadsleap, that link, here it is, said leadsleap.com. Leadsleap.com was the source for this visit to free Bitcoin. And where is it? Over here. easyhits4you.com was the source for this visit. Now, we'd better check inside the tracker. So we have our landing page here, and we can check. Let's have a look. What does this say? Has anything come through yet? Oh, look, we got some hits. We've got some hits. We've had some unknown hits, but look at this. We've got easyhits4you.com to 2 views, 2 different views. Wow. And leadsleap.com, 1 unique view. Attention, easyhits4you.com member. Helps your page to stand out from the crowd, and then the tracker will help you understand where traffic is coming from so that you can make better decisions when you're optimizing for the best traffic sources, especially if you're paying for your traffic. You don't want to be throwing your money down the drain, so it's good to know which advertising sources are kicking butt for you. And that is it from me, David Hurley of top5programs.com. Until the next exciting Leadsleap training video. And if you enjoyed this one and you want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button and do all those other wonderful things on YouTube so that you get every one of my videos as I make them going forward. That's it. Over and out. Thank you very